Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva's Fertility Center. Leukocytospermia is also known as pyospermia. And it is a condition which is characterized by abnormally high concentration of white blood cells in semen. The presence of these cells is typically defined as more than 1 million WBCs per milliliter of semen. So it has to be more than 1 million. Leukocytospermia is an important condition to understand due to its potential impact on male infertility. Let's look at the causes to begin with. We'll first talk about the infections. Genitourinary infections are very important when we're talking about this problem. Bacterial, viral or fungal infections of the reproductive tract such as epididymitis, prostatitis or urethritis are common causes of leukocytospermia. Infections trigger an immune response leading to an influx of WBCs into the semen. Then we have sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, HPV, which can also cause inflammation or leukocytospermia. Next is inflammation. Inflammatory conditions, even in the absence of an overall infection, can lead to leukocytospermia. Chronic prostatitis, a very common condition in men, often results in elevated WBC levels in semen. Autoimmune responses, where the body mistakenly attacks its own reproductive tissues, can also lead to inflammation and leukocytospermia. There are some obstructions also that can cause this. Blockages in the male reproductive tract, such as those caused by cysts, stones or scarring from previous infections, can lead to stagnant fluid and increased WBC levels as the immune response to the problem builds up. Varicocele is an abnormal enlargement of the vein within the scrotum, and it is associated with increased oxidative stress and can lead to leukocytospermia due to the resulting inflammation or swelling. There are lifestyle factors also. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption and exposure to environmental toxins can contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, increasing the likelihood of leukocytospermia, and which can cause infertility eventually. So what is a diagnosis? How do we diagnose it? Semen analysis to begin with. A standard semen analysis is the primary diagnostic tool used to detect leukocytospermia, and the presence of WBCs is identified by staining techniques. Then there are microbiological tests also. If an infection is suspected, microbiological culture of semen, urine or prostatic fluid are also performed to identify the causative pathogen. PCR may also be used to detect virus or bacterial DNA. Testing for anti-sperm antibodies may also be conducted if autoimmune causes are suspected, as these antibodies can contribute to inflammation and WBC presence. Ultrasound imaging is also a very good method which may be used to detect structural abnormalities like varicocele, obstructions or signs of chronic prostatitis, which could be contributing to leukocytospermia. So what's the treatment? Antibiotic therapy. If a bacterial infection is identified as the cause, appropriate antibiotics are prescribed to eliminate the infection, and treatment of both partners may be sometimes necessary in cases of sexually transmitted infections. Anti-inflammatory medications are also given. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or anti-inflammatory medications may be used to reduce inflammation and lower WBC levels in cases where infection is not present or has been resolved. Then underlying conditions should also be treated, such as varicocele repair. Surgical correction of varicocele, called as varicocelectomy, may also be recommended to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which brings down WBC levels in semen. Treatment of chronic prostatitis or urethral obstructions may involve medications, lifestyle changes, or surgical interventions to address the underlying causes. Reducing or eliminating totally smoking, alcohol consumption, and exposure to environmental toxins can very well lower oxidative stress and inflammation. A diet rich in antioxidants may also be very beneficial. Antioxidants like vitamin C, E, zinc and selenium may be prescribed to reduce oxidative stress and to improve semen quality. These supplements can help neutralize reactive oxygen species that contribute to leukocytospermia and sperm damage. In cases where leukocytospermia persists despite treatment, ART methods such as intrauterine insemination or in vitro fertilization may be recommended. These techniques involve sperm washing, where WBCs are separated from the semen, and this is used for fertility purposes. So leukocytospermia is a significant condition with potential implications for male infertility, but understanding the causes, accurate diagnosis and timely treatment are very critical in managing the condition properly. Inflammation or lifestyle factors identified, it can help reduce WBC levels in semen, improving overall reproductive health. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.